Hi and welcome back to $5 Shake. This week's video is a gelato recipe. It's a Gelato Messina from Australia. It's the white chocolate version, but we're just going to change it up a little bit. We're going to do white chocolate with fudge covered pretzels and a white chocolate fudge swirl. So stick around and we'll show you how to make it. So to make this gelato, put your milk in a pan first and then just slowly bring it up to around 40 degrees. At that point you can add your dry ingredients, so your sugars and stabilizers, etc. When that's all in, heat it up to approximately 65 degrees centigrade. You'll know it's about there if you don't have a thermometer, as that's when it will start to steam slightly. When it's there, hold it at that temperature for about 30 minutes and stir it every 5 minutes or so, just to make sure that nothing sticks to the pan. After half an hour, take your ice cream base, pop it in an ice bath and chill it down to 40 degrees whilst adding your chocolate. Then put it in a freezer, stir it every 10 to 15 minutes until it's down to 4 degrees centigrade. Finally, put it in the fridge until you're ready to churn. To make the fudge, put your egg and sugar in one bowl and your chocolate and butter in the other. Gently heat the chocolate and butter in the microwave. It's white chocolate, so be gentle, and then whisk all the ingredients together and then put it aside until you're ready to use it. Finally, take your mix out the fridge and give it a really good whisk. You can use an immersion blender or a hand whisk like I have. Then pop it in your ice cream machine to churn. When your machine's finished churning, you can start layering up your tub. So we've just put a good spoonful of our white chocolate fudge sauce in the bottom, broken up some of the fudge covered pretzels, and then just layer it all in bit by bit. When you're ready, pop it in the freezer. This gelato should be eaten ideally the same day, but if not, it will last for a couple of days. Then it will start to go a bit funny, so eat it when it's best. Right, the tub's been in the freezer now for quite a while. We're just gonna take it out, get some dished up into the bowl and see what it looks like. There we go. It scoops really well. You can see the white chocolate fudge swirl in there. Obviously the bits of, what are these called? Pretzels. Lose my mind. I actually do snack on these. It just made sense just to make an ice cream flavour out of them. What does it taste like? The fudge swirl really works in this because it's a very sweet fudge swirl. Obviously white chocolate is massive amounts of sugar in it, but you get that flavour of the white chocolate come through, and you get that more with gelato because there's much less fat in it. But this, I keep calling it ice cream, but this gelato is a really easy one to make, a kind of all in one pan. If you've never made one before, give it a try. Really strong white chocolate flavour. Those pretzels give a nice bit of crunch, bit of a texture change in there as well. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this simple video and we'll see you next week. Thanks very much for watching.